Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So following Mampintsha's mother Zamanguni Gumeda's death on Sunday after she was hospitalized and unfortunately she lost her life, it has now been reported and alleged by multiple blogs that Yho Babes Wodumo has been banned from attending her mother-in-law's funeral, which is expected to take place this Saturday on the 21st of January 2023 in Kwamashu, you guys. So Mampintsha's sister Upinki recently revealed that Babes Wodumo has never called nor visited her mother-in-law when she was hospitalized. So she told the Daily Sun this. What complicated things with the video she kept on posting on social media, sometimes even insulting my family. My mother saw all of that and it worsened her condition. I feel she died with a broken heart, but she's at peace now. And as a result, they've decided to ban Yho Babes Wodumo from attending Mampintsha's mother's funeral, you guys. Now, please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.